Oh, okay.
Dennis.
Round
8.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Anyway.
Ready, Diego!
I feel fear for the very last time.
Hi, I'm Diego, and this is my cousin, Dora! Hola! Dora's visiting the Animal Rescue Center, and I've got a special surprise for her. I love surprises, Fima. Do you want to know the surprise? What is it, Diego? Watch this. Come on out. A roof. A roof.
Oh, it's very quick.
Let's count the maned wolf pups. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 maned wolf pups. Don't worry, Mommy Maned Wolf. We're animal rescuers. We'll find your baby maned wolf. Will you help us find baby maned wolf? Great!
Diego, I'll help Mommy Maned Wolf and her wolf pups and check in with you later.
Okay, Alicia.
After a great deal of shunting, Percy was waiting for the signalman to set the switch so he could get back to the yard. Percy was being rather careless and not paying attention. Edward had warned Percy, be careful on the main line, whistle to the signalman that you were there. But Percy didn't remember to whistle, and so the busy signalman forgot him. Percy waited and waited. The switch was still against him, so he couldn't move. Then he looked along the main line.
But it's so hard to paddle. We need your help. Will you help us paddle down the river? Great! Put your hands out in front of you and hold on to your paddle. Now, paddle, 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 paddle! Help me! Look! The river otter is stuck in the whirlpool and his paw is caught in a net. We've got to rescue him! Help me throw the life preserver to him! Put your hands over your head and throw it! Throw it! Throw it! Now grab the rope and pull! 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 Great pulling! Are you okay?
I have not even begun to fight.